hope you guys are doing well. It is a blue sky kind of day, but still cold. I just got some eggs from the coop. I'm allowed 2 more chickens, so I am waiting to see if I can get 2 more chickens that will do colored eggs, like colorful Easter eggs. Anyway, that's lavender in the background scratching away, but we're in my garden because I need to harvest some of my snow peas. The birds are really singing today. And then I've got to go do groceries. Mason didn't sleep well, so I'm not sure if I'll take him for a walk. I might do groceries with him, see how he goes, come home, and then put him to bed. And then when he wakes up, we can do like a mid-afternoon walk. So that is the plan. So let's harvest some snow peas together. I don't know if you can call this a harvest. Got some sweet peas, eggs from the chicken, and a nasturtium flour. How pretty. I can make a drink and then pop the flour in. All my peas, so let's go upstairs now. Do corn chips. Put it behind you. Put it behind you. We are home now and we stopped by McDonald's and I got a vanilla iced matcha, and Mason is having chips. Don't worry, this is not a regular. I feel like it's been 6 months or even longer. I can't remember the last time we had McDonald's. This is, I think, Mason's second time having McDonald's. Oh, it's good. Not bad. It's nice. The boys were telling me about matcha. 2 of our kids work at McDonald's. Here, Mason. Nothing beats a good McDonald's fries. Anyway, let's go inside, take all the groceries out, and we need to clean the house. Oh, and I need to bake a sourdough. Let's go do that. Nearly done with our walk. We're gonna go home. Mason's having a little snack. Gonna go home and then make some sourdough. Back from the shop, I'm about to put my sourdough into the oven. Mason has learned how to climb onto our bed. So, yeah, baby. Oh, and you learned how to climb off, obviously. You're here. Yeah, so we're gonna... Mama. Yeah, baby. We're gonna put sourdough. So we're gonna have nice sourdough. Oh, we are home. We put all the groceries away. Oh no. Oh. Oops. Okay. Well, that was silly. Let's score. Hey, Mason. Oh, man. What happened here? Mason, I am going to open the oven. It's going to be super hot, okay? Mama! Yeah, baby. Oh, thank you for my cuddle. Hold on. Got a sharp thing in my hand. Kiss. Don't climb on the handles. Give me a kiss. Come here. Come back here. Mwah. I love you loads. Please be careful of the camera. Thank you, baby. Okay, Mama, what did I tell you? I'm going to open the oven. It's going to be super hot, okay?
Bye-bye.
Bye-bye. No, I'm opening. I'm going anywhere. Okay. Open oven. You're going to climb up here, but I don't want you to touch anything. Okay, we got to be quick. In goes the sourdough. Oopsie, didn't mean to slam. Mason is down for a nap, and I can't remember if I had put a timer on my sourdough, so I'm very tired. So let's just see how the sourdough turns out. It has risen, hallelujah. That is good news. Hey Google, set timer for 10 minutes.